took course from Besant Technology. The course which I took was full stack developer, in which I took Django, Python and SQL from the backend side, and in front end side I did HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and AngularJS. And the teacher was very good. My trainer was Rahul sir at that time, and he was very good. He teaches that language and all very good. Apart from that also he helps us, like if you have any doubts we can ask them on WhatsApp, and then he also helps outside of the coaching. And then I got placement in data template infotech company, and my role there is as a Python developer. I do project in core Python as a developer.